Hi everyone! Ngayon, ang gagawin po natin ay ang Ube Tikoy Rolls. So here's my easy-to-follow recipe and video that I just made for all of you. Bali po, yung Ube Halaya ay ginawa ko na po siya the day before. So yung recipe po ng Ube Halaya ay nasa description box below. So i-click nyo lang po yung link para mapunta po kayo dun sa video ko kung paano gumawa ng Ube Halaya naman. So aside from the Ube Halaya filling, you can also use yema or dulce de leche or peanut butter filling too. So tara, umpisahan na po natin gumawa ng Ube Tikoy Rolls. Ang una po natin kailangan ay ang 2 cups of glutinous rice flour, half cup of white sugar, one cup plus 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then halu-haluin lang po natin lahat ng ingredients using a whisker or pwede rin po tayong gumamit ng hand mixer. So, mag-prepare naman po tayo ngayon ng 9x9 inch pan or much better kung 10x10 inch pan po yung gagamitin po natin. So, i-brush lang po natin ito ng vegetable oil and then i-pour lang po natin or ibubuhos lang po natin ang ating tikoy mixture. And then, ready na po tayo mag-steam ng ating tikoy and we will steam it for 30 minutes. So, medium flame lang po tayo. And maglagay rin po tayo ng clean cloth para po hindi po bumagsak yung mga steam droplets doon po sa tikoy natin. So, after 30 minutes, eto na po yung ating steamed tikoy. Okay, since I don't have a 10x10 inch pan, medyo napakapal po yung aking tikoy. So, ang gagawin ko po ay magprepare po ako ng cling wrap and then ibabrush ko po ito ng vegetable oil and I will need to flatten my tikoy roll. So, papanipisin ko pa po ito ng konti. So, if you have any difficulty of handling your tikoy, kasi talagang medyo malagkit po siya, so brush it. Always brush it with a thin vegetable oil. Okay, so not too much, basta thin lang. So, here we go. Once na-achieve na po natin yung desired thinness or thickness po natin ng ating tikoy roll. So, we will now remove the sides, the extra ones on the side para po maganda po yung shape niya. And then, we will need to cut the tikoy into square pieces or rectangular pieces. So, depende po yun kung anong size po yung gusto nyo. Okay, now that's done. So, next step, we will now proceed or prepare our ube halaya. So, atong ube halaya ginawa ko po ito kagabi. So, yung recipe po niyan, pakiclick na lang po yung link na nasa description box niya. Okay, so we will need a piping bag. Maglalagay lang po tayo ng 1/4 cup up to 1/2 cup of our ube halaya. So, ilalagay po natin yan sa ating piping bag. Okay, once you're ready, ipapipe po natin yung ating ube halaya sa gitna. Okay. There you go. And then, just seal the edges. And after doing this step, so tapos na tayong mag-roll ng ating tikoy roll and the ube halaya, we will now lightly toast 1/2 cup of peanuts. So you can use crushed peanuts or the whole peanuts. And then next step ay i-crush po natin yung ating toasted peanuts using a mortar and pestle. Or if you have a food processor, you can also use your food processor. Pero wag pong masyadong crush na crush. Basta lightly crushed lang po. May mga bits and pieces pa po tayong nakikita. So crushing the peanuts will further release the aroma and enhance more nutty flavor. Okay, so ilagay na po natin sa plate. At dito po natin i-roll yung mga tikoy rolls. Okay, para po kumapit, just like this. Okay, so para po kumapit yung ating peanuts. So, here you go. Ito na po ang ating Ube Tikoy Rolls. So, pwede rin nyo po itong gawing negosyo or small business. So, ilagay lang po natin ito sa isang presentable or isang magandang box. And thank you for watching!